so the Air Force One's probably the most popular and the most worn shoe of this generation. With so many variations of this shoe and so many stereotypes attached to these type of shoes, it was only right for me to make a video about it. So in this video, I'm going to be going over what your Air Force One says about you. So the first Air Force we're going to be talking about is none other than the white Air Force Ones. And this is by far the most popular Air Force. Like, it's just so clean and just so like wearable. But with that being said, if you do wear this shoe, like, you are such a generic person that just plays it safe in any situation. Like, if they were in a movie, they would definitely be a background character. Actually, fuck that. If they had a movie about themselves, there'd definitely be a background character to that as well. This person and the white Air Forces have like a lot of similarities. Like, they're kind of cool, but at the same time, like, boring as fuck. Like, no real like substance. And as soon as they get a crease in the new Air Forces, that's it. They have to buy another pair. And these people are definitely the type of people to like get a notification on their phone saying like full storage, and then just go out and buy another phone. But yeah, that was the white Air Forces. Moving on to now the black Air Forces. Okay, cool. So if you wear like a black pair of Air Forces, like, you're just a straight up criminal. Like, there's no question about it. You're the type of guy to go do a crime, obviously get arrested, and then rock up to court in the exact same outfit you did the crime in, and then have the audacity to turn around and be like, yeah, I don't know how I got caught.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
People that wear black Air Forces have a black belt in fuckery. Like, I'm not even joking. What I mean by fuckery is like, these people would just be starting shit for like no given reason. You could be in a corner shop and this guy will fully start smacking up the shopkeeper because he messed up his change. People that wear black Air Forces can't be trusted. Like, I'm not even joking. These people will ask to borrow something, leave it bare long, and then you have to actually ask to borrow it back. Like, bruv, how am I asking to borrow something that's already mine? Like, if black Air Forces was a person, they would definitely be this person.
I said don't butt me then! Fuck the dot! What about the tenner you owe me from the other day? If you don't give me that tenner, you're violating me! Where the fuck's my money from the other day? Where the fuck's my peas, bruv? I don't give a fuck who you know! Let's go to war! Let's go to war! Let's go to fucking war, bruv! But you think you're a bad man? You think no one can't touch you? I'll cut you off! Dickhead! Fuck you, man! Get the fuck off my the other day. I'm taking it as you finessing me, bro. Simple.
Just a quick side note, if you are liking this video, please subscribe, and yeah, let's get back into this. But anyway, moving on to the off-white Air Forces. People that wear these Air Forces probably have a good like grasp on like fashion and probably have a good fashion sense. But with that being said, they definitely take photos of themselves with their hand over their face.
Ha! Gay!
And they probably think they actually look cool in this, but they just look like...
You're a pussy.
They probably cried when Virgil Abloh like passed away, like they actually knew him on a personal level. I can't even lie to you, I do rate these Air Forces out of like all of the other Air Forces. Like, they're just so creative and just clean. That being said though, like, the colorways are a bit mad. And I do reckon that the people that wear these only wear these to like sort of like cover up the lack of personality that they have. Sort of similar to people that have like bear tattoos. Okay, cool. So now moving on to the Supreme Air Force Ones. And I'm not even joking, like, I'm paranoid about these Air Forces. Like, how are you going to do a collaboration with Supreme and come out with this fuckery? Like, I don't even know where to start on this Air Force. Like, this is a perfect example of like, just because it says Supreme, don't make it automatically good. I'm sorry, yeah, but this is such a pointless purchase. Like, people that bought this Air Force One are the type of people that got hyped about the PlayStation 5, actually bought one, and then when it came, took a couple pictures to it, uploaded it to Instagram, and then never played it. The people that wear this shoe and also the normal Air Force Ones, like, they're very similar. They're both like trend followers, and they both really ain't got their own like original style. But I can't even lie to you, like, people that wear this shoe are 10 times worse. Like, literally, they have money just to throw away. Nah, but for real though, like, the only difference between this Air Force and the actual normal Air Force is just a little Supreme box logo. And I believe they're charging like 100 more than the original to the shoe, which is absolutely crazy in my opinion. Alright, cool. So now I'm just going over some quick Air Forces, just giving my quick take on them and then moving on to the next one. The Glitch Swoosh. Oh my days. If you wear these, you was definitely best friends with the weird kid in school. You know the one I'm talking about, the kid that used to always chew the fuck out of his school uniform, used to always speak to himself, and used to always have the exact same toothpaste stain on his shirt. Oh my days, what the actual fuck are these? Alright, cool. So if you own these Air Forces, you definitely hang around primary schools and definitely own an ice cream van. For all the obvious reasons, obviously. So if you own these pair of Air Forces, I'm extremely jealous of you, and for that reason, you're a
pussy.
Okay, so if you own these pair of Air Forces, I don't really have nothing real bad to say about you. Like, they're clean, they're creative, they're unique, and yeah, like, you know, nice one. Oh my days, the high top Air Forces. You definitely bought these to blend in, but you stand out more than a white guy in Croydon. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.